Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a Miss Kate design haul. Now if you don't know who made Miss Kate, go ahead and check out this video. I'll show you some stuff that she does sell on her site. So let's go ahead and get into this. Check out these nice summer cardstock that Miss Kate has. So this is part of the Monday Fun Day, which the cardstock is $8.99, which is the kit, which is this one here. I always buy the matching dies, and the dies are, I believe, $7.99 or $8.99 regular price. So I just go ahead and buy that since this was cheap. But the first one I have here is called Vacation Time Paper and Sticker Kit, which this was $8.99. Okay, and I love her papers. If you like Doodlebug or even whimsy stamps, those kind of designs, you'll love Miss Kate. Because look at that, I love her stuff. But this one, I had to get it because of flamingos. I love the flamingos. So let's go ahead and check out this kit. Now, this kit does have 12 by 12 papers, and you do get 39 designs. You do get 20 sheets of paper, and you get an 18 by 12 sticker sheet with more than 60 stickers on there. And then you do get 4 sheets. 4 of the sheets are elements. And then here goes the QR code, so in case you want to check out more stuff for that. But yeah, I will link her shop below. So if you have never shopped there, go ahead and check it out. Not only do they do cardstock, but they also do actual scrapbooking layouts on there. And they also do have digital printouts that you can also buy. And usually every Monday, she does have some kind of deal so far. She's been having it for a while. So that's why I always say do subscribe to all these shops places, because you never know what deals you get. Okay, so this is the cover. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love flamingo. I love the flamingo. So the back, I'm going to try not to be greedy. The back one was pink and polka dots. It's down a little bit. Look at that, the florals. And I love the paper because it's like a shiny, but it's not all glossy. And then you got little cutter parts here. Real nice. Look at that. Real nice. Love that. Got more cutter parts. Oh, look at that. How beautiful. Oh, look at the pool fun. Swimming, pool party, splash. Look at that. So how many of you guys ready for summer? For here, it's actually, well, I'm in Illinois. So we do, it's been a little warm here lately, which is not too hot. We've been having some storms, but it's not too bad. Look at that. Vacation time, beach. How nice is that? Oh, look at that. Tropical. Your polka dots. Look at the inflatable duck, the inflatable flamingo and the unicorn, the water waves. Yeah, polka dots. Look at that. Tropical flowers. Yeah, the pineapple. Oh, look at that. The lime polka dots. I love polka dots. Oh, how pretty is that? Look at that. Oh, wow, look at that design. Love it. Love, love, love. So nice, so nice, so nice. Oh my goodness, look at that. You got the dark blue. So pretty. Lines. Yeah, some more water. This will go great with Scrap Diva design. I just got some dies with flamingo on there. That so pretty. Real nice. Pink polka dot. I just love the colors. I do like pastel, but I love those too. I love a lot of stuff. You got this side. So pretty. Look at that. The teal. I love plants. That, oh wow, look at that on white. And then you have that side. Real pretty. And of course the stickers. Look at that. Look how nice that is. Real nice. This is yeah, I really like this kit. Real nice kit. So that goes that one. And with the $8.99 deal, I always get 2 of these. So I have enough for my stash. So yeah, so I got that one. Now let's look at the die cuts. Now she does have matching die cuts, so I went ahead and got that. So you get 60 pieces, and this is what it comes with in the back. Really nice. And these are nice. Let me show you a few of them. Look at that. At the beach. Look at the flower. How pretty. Look at that. Beach babe. We got this one. Summer vacation. Another flower. Another flower. Some sunglasses. Yeah, I love this one's a nice kit. And I will link all this below, so in case you want to go ahead and get it. Now she also does have a rewards program where you buy, you earn points. So I got that one. Now the next one, OMG, look at this one. This one is Life is Sweet. Life is Sweet paper. OMG. I saw this, I was like, love it. It's all about fruits. And the same thing, the kit does come with the sticker kit. Now on her site you can buy just the papers. You could buy just the stickers, just a die cut. So check out her site. She does got some nice stuff. And you do get 12 by 12 papers. You get 20 sheets, 39 designs, and an 18 by 12 sticker sheet, and more than 60 stickers. And you get 5 sheets of 4 by 4 elements. Now let's check this one out. OMG, look at that. So pretty. All the brights. You get this one here. Love that. Wow, look at that. OMG. A slice of summer. Hot, hot, hot. You got some flip-flops on the top. Your strawberries. Love this. Look at that. Strawberry. You can make, these kits go with a lot of stuff. Real nice. Love that. Got some strawberries. That real nice sweet treats. Love that. This reminds me of like an ice cream. That. Got the flip flops. Watermelon. Here's some more. Slice. Life is Sweet. Look at that. Green squares. Lemon. Look at that one. Real pretty. Super pretty. All the fruits. The pear. Oh, I love pear. I love a good pear. Oh, I love that. Look at that. That's so pretty. It's like a deco shape. So pretty. So pretty. Wow, this is a real pretty kit. Love all the bright colors. Love, love, love. You got the drinks. Look at that. So pretty. I myself I love fall. But you know, I love all the seasons, and I love that I live in a place where I get to experience all the seasons. You know, I love the fall is my favorite, and plus I am a fall baby. But I love, you know, winter. I love the snow. For me, I need to have snow for Christmas. Um, for summer, I love summer. I do love summer. Sometimes it just gets a little too hot. Spring, of course, I like spring because of all the flowers that come up and bloom and whatnot. So yeah, I gotta have my 4 seasons. Look at that. So pretty. But let me know in comments what's your favorite season. My ultimate is fall. Wow, look at that. Look at that paper. So pretty. Oh, I love that paper. And then here goes the stickers. Look at that. How nice is that? So yeah, this is a nice sticker sheet. Well, kit. Okay, so that is Life Sweet paper kit. That's actually didn't disappoint. Love that. So let's go ahead and check out the die cuts. Now, like I say, I always buy 2 die cuts and 2 of the paper kits, because that's a deal you can't miss. Now sometimes they do like cardstock. Look at that, sweet treats. And then of course you got your little flip flops, or I like to call them chanclas. You get your flower and your lemon. Life is sweet. Look at that. You got some watermelon, some cherries, and you get them in different sizes. Some pears, watermelon, strawberry, lime, lemon, strawberry flowers, and then some are fun. Yeah, lovely kit. Love, love, love. So let me know in the comments, out of the 2, which one's your favorite, or even can you choose a favorite? I know I can't. I like both of them. So I will leave a link below on both of these kits, so if you want to go ahead and order one for yourself, I say go ahead and do so, because these are super cute kits. And if you subscribe to her emails, you get to, you know, you'll find out when she does have sales. But like I said, check them out, because they have other stuff that they do sell. But yeah, both of these I really love, love, love. Leave a like and let me know you liked the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notifications so you don't miss a new video that I upload. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.